In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the option to see your followers on your profile. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. This will be a quick and straightforward process, but I'll explain what each action does so you understand exactly what's happening and why you're doing it. First, start by opening the app or website where your profile is located and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main home screen, look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile icon there. This might be a small picture, your initials, or a generic user silhouette, depending on your account setup. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is your main doorway into all of your personal account options. After you click your profile icon, a small menu or drop-down should appear. In that menu, look for the option labeled Settings. It might be near the bottom of the list. Click on Settings to open up the configuration area for your account. This is where you can customize how your account works, what information is visible, and how you interact with other users. Once you're inside the settings page, you'll see a list of different sections or tabs. Find the one labeled Profile. This section controls how your profile appears to you and to other people. Click on Profile to open those options. Inside the profile settings, look for a toggle or switch labeled See Followers. This option controls whether you can view your followers on your profile. If the toggle is currently off or grayed out, simply click or tap it to turn it on. When it's enabled, it should change color or move to the opposite side, depending on how the interface is designed. After switching on See Followers, your changes are usually saved automatically. If you see a confirmation message or a saved indicator, that means the update has gone through. You can now go back to your main profile page and you should be able to see your followers displayed there. And that's all you need to do. By clicking your profile icon, going into settings, opening your profile section, and turning on the See Followers option, you've successfully enabled follower visibility on your account.